We're at the women's breakfast that MRS sponsors in order to encourage the success of women in the science and engineering fields. In order to really solve a problem, you have to pay attention to it. We used to think that the way that we solve a problem with women is to just not notice. We don't see it, we don't notice it, and then it will all be fine. But it just isn't working. So now we realize that in order to create or to really support women, we have to pay attention to them. And they have things that they need to do, because it's always a two-way street, but there are things that institutions need to do and individuals of influence need to do, and together we can make a difference. We're not just talking about counting how many women we have, we're talking about cultivating their success, and this is an idea called inclusion. And then the other thing is seeing difference as an asset and not a problem, so that actually women are bringing so much in the way of perspective and talent and an opportunity and networks that is going to actually improve and enhance the field. And so they're not a problem for the field to figure out how to solve, they actually are an asset that the field has to learn how to take advantage of. I talked also about understanding that we all have biases and we can't deny them. We have to go looking for them so that we can offset them. I also talked to them a lot about in-group favoritism, which is not a bias against people, but a bias for your own self, and how that replicates who we already have. If we each don't take the commitment to move diversity forward in any way that we can, assisting, supporting, mentoring, all of those kinds of active things, standing against our own unconscious biases, we're not going to see a real change in the field, and that's going to be a problem not just for the field but for all of us.